Hey guys, this is John Bretza, Director of Product Development for Okuma Fishing Tackle, here to introduce to you the new Azores awesome saltwater spinning reel. This is a dedicated reel built just for the salt. What's incredible about this reel is that the body, side plate, rotor are all constructed of aluminum, so it's very rigid, very strong, very durable. The one issue with aluminum and internal parts is you get dissimilar metals, so you can get electrolysis that builds up the corrosion. What we did to combat against that is that we have what we call our MSS, or Mechanical Stabilizing System, and that uses 3 internal components that are injected out of a long strand carbon fiber. So what that does is it breaks the bond for electrolysis so it can't spread and create corrosion. What that does is it helps for after service, so it's very good for servicing the reel, but once again makes it a rock solid reel for saltwater use. Features a machined aluminum handle, so it's very strong, very durable. But one of the key components to the Azores is a dual force drag system. So that's got a stack of drag washers at the top of the spool, and it's got a carbon fiber washer at the bottom. So that helps, one, for high-end drag pressure, but it also helps distribute that pressure over a larger surface area, which helps dissipate heat. The other thing combined with the DFD system is that the spool shaft has an oversized spool shaft as well as a spool shaft spacer, and the advantage there is that when you put tremendous amounts of drag pressure, if you want to put, say, 35, 40 pounds of drag on the Azores, it helps distribute that pressure throughout the overall reel. Internally, the Azores features Okuma's elliptical oscillation system. What that does is it gives you very smooth, even line lay. You're going to see the advantages there is that it's going to increase your casting distance, especially if you're using braided line. Elliptical oscillation system works like a 2-speed transmission so that it oscillates the spool at a constant rate. It speeds up and slows down as the spool oscillates. Big advantage, especially with that braided line, so that the line packs up very smoothly. Azores is packed with 7 premium bearings, 6 high-performance ball bearings, which are great for corrosion resistance. And then it features Okuma's quick set anti-reverse, which gives you instant hook sets. You're not going to have that handle back up when you go to set the hook. The other thing that we pack the Azores with, just to maximize it for guys fishing braided line, is on the spool. You'll see the spool is actually knurled. Once you get 2 to 3 wraps of braided line, the braid's going to bite right into that knurling and it's not going to slip. A problem that you see a lot of guys have with a traditional aluminum spool, because of the slick surface, braid will tend to slip and then your whole spool line will rotate. You're not going to have that with the knurling on this spool. Azores, as I'd said, is a dedicated saltwater spinning reel. At the moment, it's going to come in 3 sizes, in a 55, 65, and 80. You can find more information on the Azores at okumafishing.com.